Hi, I'm Manuja, the most popular edXL IGCSE biology tutor in Nugegoda. Are you fed up with biology? Are you struggling to memorize the most important key parts in biology? Are you struggling to gain marks in biology? This is the right place to gain the marks and answer all these questions within 5 months of our time period for the exam. Here is our plan out for 2026 IGCSE Crash Course Program. Group 1 will be conducted on Saturday 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Group 2 will be conducted from Tuesday from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. And here's the special thing. It is conducted online and on-site at Nugegoda. This will be our course schedule. At the beginning, we are starting our day with a daily spot test of 30 minutes. This is so special because the marks of the spot test will be received to you at the end of the day, which is being checked by a very experienced teacher. Then we are moving to the theory revision, which will cover the relevant topics based on the entire syllabi. Then you have 20 minutes of a short time to refresh yourself, and then we are moving to the most important part of our crash course, that's the topical question discussion. So the theories that you gain, theories that you learn from the first 1.5 hours, this is the part where you apply the theory and you fulfill your knowledge and you solidly, concretely memorize all the theories that we learn on the particular day. The students who are participating to the crash course has a chance to participate to our special paper class program, which will be conducted on every Sundays from 7 to 10:30 p.m. So, complete papers, full papers will be discussed in this special class. So, papers from 2015 to 2025 will be discussed in this class, and the most special thing is we are doing all these papers twice before your exam. So, you will have a very keen idea about the questions which comes to the exam. And behalf of that, we are discussing some special target question papers also. Mock exams. This is the only program in Sri Lanka where you face 5 mock exams before your main examination. So our mock exams are so special throughout the past history because we are creating the similar environment of edXL IGCSE for the students. So this is the place where you beat your exam phobia. Our first mock exam will be available on January, 2nd on February, 3rd and 4th on March, and the final grand finale of exam will be there on April. This is so special because you will gain prizes based on your achievements on the final mock examination. After the mock exam sessions, you will be moving for your edXL IGCSE exams on May. So immediately before the papers, we will be conducting a quick revision session for you all to brush up the key important points before your papers. So before the paper 1, we are conducting a quick revision session, and also before the paper 2, we are doing a quick revision session. So all these revision sessions will help you to focus on the papers and focus on the main key important points which will be available in these papers. So these quick revision sessions will be available in between your exams. Last but least, our crash course program has created marvelous results throughout the history. Last year, more than 95% of our students has scored A stars for biology because of this program. So you are not late. 5 months is more than enough to score A stars for biology.
Visit now www.chemixacademy.com. Call us now, note 7289 333 44.